Hey YouTube creators, are you ready to take your channel to the next level without losing your sanity? Today, I'm diving into the magical world of YouTube automation, where you can save tons of time and boost your channel's efficiency. Let's get started. First off, what is YouTube automation? Simply put, it's using tools and techniques to handle repetitive tasks for you, so you can focus on what you do best, creating awesome content. Think of it as having a personal assistant who never sleeps. One of the biggest game changers in YouTube automation is content scheduling. Tools like TubeBuddy and Hootsuite allow you to schedule your videos to go live at the perfect time, even when you're off enjoying a Netflix binge. This keeps your channel active and your audience engaged, even when you're not around. And it's not just about scheduling. How about automatic video uploads? With platforms like TubeBuddy, you can set up your videos to upload automatically at a specified time. Just set it and forget it. It's that easy. Now, let's talk about AI-driven content creation. Imagine having AI tools that help you come up with video titles, descriptions, and even thumbnails. Tools like vidIQ use artificial intelligence to analyze trending topics and optimize your content for maximum reach. This means more views, more subscribers, and more time for you to create. So how do you get started with these amazing tools? Here's a quick step-by-step guide. First, grab TubeBuddy. Install the extension, and you're all set to start scheduling and automating uploads. Next, if you're looking to manage all your social media along with YouTube, Hootsuite is a fantastic option. Connect your YouTube account, and you can schedule posts, track analytics, and even respond to comments all in one place. And for that AI magic, vidIQ is your best friend. Install the Chrome extension and start exploring the keyword tools, title suggestions, and trend alerts. You'll be amazed at how much easier it gets to create content that resonates with your audience. The best part about all this automation? It helps you stay consistent. Consistency is key to growing your audience and increasing engagement. By automating the tedious parts of your workflow, you can ensure that your channel is always active without sacrificing quality. In conclusion, automating your YouTube channel isn't just a time saver, it's a game changer. It allows you to focus on creating, engaging, and growing your community. So, dive into the world of YouTube automation today and watch your channel soar. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks. See you next time.